I'm going to be using the book Mac's Got a Fat Lip from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. Remember, if you don't have this book, that's okay. You can use any decodable book that focuses on consonant L. I'm going to be saying some words. I want you to use your ears and I want you to listen very carefully so that you can tell me what sound is the same in each one of these words. I will say the word, you will echo. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Lap, leg, lip. What sound was the same in each one of those words? Oh, you're right. You heard the ol sound. Let's get our mirrors and let's look at our mouth and see what's happening when we make the ol sound. Get your mirror and you're going to hold it close to your mouth and you're going to look and see what's happening. Let's make that sound. Ol. What was happening? You're right. Your mouth was open. The tip of your tongue was curled up right behind your top teeth, and the sound was coming out all around your tongue. Now let's make the sound again, but this time, let's all put our hands on our throat, and let's see if we can feel a vibration. All right, let's make it together. Here we go. Oh. Did you feel that? So did I. So we know that O is a voice sound. When we make that sound, our mouth is open, the tip of our tongue is curled right behind our top teeth, and we know it's a voice sound. Nice job. Go ahead and put your mirrors away. Now I want you to use your eyes. And I want you to look very carefully because I'm going to write some words on the board. And I want you to be able to tell me what letter's the same in each one of those words. Look closely as I write. Here we go. L, A, P. L, E, G. L, I, P. What letter is the same in each one of those words? You're right. L is exactly the same in each one of those words. Today, we will be focusing on consonant L. Let's read these words. Here we go. Lap, leg, lip. When you read the book, Mac's Got a Fat Lip, remember that you will see the letter L, and it makes the O sound. We make that sound by our mouth being open, the tip of our tongues curled up behind our top teeth, and it's a voiced sound. Thank you so much for joining me today, and remember, you've got this.